Hi children, welcome back to my channel. Now let's see 11th question. If Arjun is facing the India gate, then what will he be facing if he turns 135 degrees anti-clockwise and then 180 degrees clockwise? So Arjun is here now. So he is facing towards India gate. For suppose this is a clock. Half the minute's hand and hour's hand will move children, will move in clockwise direction like this. What its opposite direction called? Anti-clockwise. Okay. Now, Arjun is facing towards India Gate. His clockwise direction is towards this side. Right, children? His anti-clockwise direction is towards this side. In the question, it's given if he turns 135 degrees anti-clockwise. So, he is taking towards this side. He's turning towards this side anti-clockwise. So, from here to here, 45 degrees. From here, he reaches bridge 90 degrees, 45 plus 45, 90 degrees. From here to here, he takes anti-clockwise 90 plus 45, 135 degrees. So he stops here, stops near temple, and from here he takes clockwise direction. From here to here, 45, 45 plus 45, 90, 90 plus 45, 135, 135 plus 45, 180 degrees. So he reaches one bus stop and takes 180 degrees, turns 180 degrees. Right, children? Now, our option is option A, bus stop. Yes, this is our correct answer, children. 12th question. Which of the following words cannot be formed from the letters of the given word? Let's try to read the given word. Institutional. And we are going to write all the letters only once, not the repeated letters. I, N, S, T, I is repeated, T is repeated, U, T is repeated again, I is repeated, O, N is repeated, A, L. So we have written all the letters for once. Let's check with the options whether the options having the words can be formed from the given letters or not. Union, UNIO, and can be formed. B, insult, INS, ULT can be formed. Option C, nation, NATION can be formed. D, tunnel, TUNN, E is missing, E is not there, it's not given. So our answer is option B, tunnel, children. Tunnel word cannot be formed from the given letters. 30th question. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. So this is the given figure and we have to find the mirror image of this figure. It will be always, the mirror image of a figure will be always in inverted form, children. Now let's try to draw that. This will be towards this side, children. Now let's try to write, I add, write 2, 2, G will be like this, children. Right, children? So let's check with the answers, children. Okay, B, G4, and dot will be here. Shaded part here. Okay, option A is our correct answer. 14th question. Which of the following options is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts? So this is the given figure, children. We are supposed to check with the options. Option A is a horizontal, a vertical, a small horizontal, then followed by a slanting line. Let's check. It's not possible here. Let's check here. Horizontal line, a vertical line, then followed by a small horizontal, then followed by a slanting line, children. Yes, option A exactly fits in the given figure. Exactly embedded in the given figure. Right, children? So option A is our correct answer. 15th question. If the six elements from the left end are removed from the given arrangement, then which element will be at the middle of the remaining elements? So this is the left end, children, and this is the right end. So what they were asking, six elements from the left end are removed. One, two, three, four, five, six. So remove these elements. After that, then which element will be at the middle of the remaining elements? So let's count how many are there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements are there. So if 9 elements are there, then fifth will be the middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the middle element, children. So dollar symbol is the right answer. Option A M, option B dollar is the right answer, children. 16th question. Which of the following is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 8? Question mark. Option A 9 by 18. Option B 15 by 25. Option C 12 by 20. Option D 12 by 32. So first what do we do? Let's go with the options. 9 by 18 is the first option. Let's take the factors for this 9 and 18. What are the common factors between these two? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So common factors between these two is 9, children. So let's divide and multiply. Let's multiply with 9 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So 1 by 2. Let's take the common factor of 15 and 25. 5 threes are 15. 5 fives are 25. So between these two, which is common, children? 5 is common. Let's multiply with 5 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25. So let's take the common factor of 12 and 20. 4 threes are 12, 4 fives are 20. So which is the common factor here, children? 4. Let's multiply with 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 threes are 12, 4 fives are 20. 3 by 5, children. Now let's take the common factors of 4 and 32. 4 threes are 12, 4 eights are 32. So which is the common over here, children? 4. So multiply with 4 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 threes are 12, 4 eights are 32. 3 by 8. So which is our correct answer, children? Here it's 3 by 5. Which is the right option, children? Equivalent fraction of 3 by 8 is option D is our correct answer, children. Now, 17th question, children. The given line graph shows the number of students who like different colors. Study the graph carefully and answer the following question. So, this is the line graph, children, given over here. So, this is called x-axis. This is called y-axis. So, on x-axis, they are given colors red, green, pink, blue, yellow. Okay. On y-axis, number of students are given 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So let's draw a line like this so that we could find out very easily the number of students. So how many more students like green color than blue color? How many green color are there, children? 24 like green color. So let's subtract blue color from green color. How many blue color liking students are there? 12. So let's quickly subtract 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 12. How many more students like green color than blue color, children? Option B, 12 is our right answer.